Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another Jeffree Star mystery unboxing. So this is the deluxe one. So last night I kept saying deluxe and it was definitely the premium box. So let's just ignore the fact that I messed that up. So I am unboxing my deluxe box tonight and I'm wearing my Jeffree Star approved t-shirt to celebrate. I don't really like tie-dye, but this is like a super soft, comfy t-shirt. So I wear it around the house, you know what I'm saying? So this is my box. Now, if you didn't see last night's video, I did put up a video of my premium unboxing. I'm actually just now cutting this open, by the way, so like I have not seen what's in this box at all, and I've seen like the gist of it. Like a lot of people have very similar boxes, but you don't know what colors you're getting and all that good stuff. So yeah, I did put up my other unboxing last night with a giveaway in the video, so be sure to check that one out. And I feel like there's a good chance that there's going to be some items in this one too that I may already have. If there is anything in here that I feel like I either won't use, or if I already have it and it's a duplicate, then there will be a giveaway in this one as well. So here's what the contents of our box looks like. So I'm gonna pull some stuff out. We did get our pop socket. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one or not. I'll decide as I'm sitting here because I did put the other one in the giveaway. Okay, so the first thing I see is a Skin Frost in the shade Lavender Snow. So I'm really stocking up on these Skin Frosts here lately. Last night I got another color. And this one may be like a good one to use. Now it's definitely a little bit different, but I feel like this one could be used as an actual highlighter, whereas the other ones I was getting are just a little too out there for like a daily highlight. Ooh, look at that though, that's pretty. I want to actually try to put this one on and just see. It's just a little chunky of a formula. Oh shit. Okay, so I can definitely get away with wearing this one. So far so good. Okay. Like I would wear this. It's a little different, but it's still like in the wheelhouse of like normal highlight, for me at least. So that's really pretty. So that is the Lavender Snow Skin Frost. And I'm only doing one side because I see the next thing. And this is a Supreme Frost in the shade Frozen Peach. Already I'm like so excited about this one. So I haven't tried this particular formula and I'm glad I got this color too. It was like one of the two colors that I was like really excited if I got. Here's what it looks like in the packaging. And then this is the actual highlight. I'm gonna swirl my brush in here. That one's really pretty. So that one's a little bit more wearable with just like a little slight shimmer to it. They're both really pretty. They're just different, but I actually like both of these. So far I'm really happy with this. And this is my first Supreme Frost, so yay! We got lip ammo in the shade Jeffree's Girl. I think I have this one. So I do have this one. That means that there is going to be a giveaway. I am going to go ahead and just include the pop socket. I have a black one and yeah, I'm going to include the pop socket and then I'm going to put this aside. This is the Jeffree's Girl Lip Ammunition. So here is mine. So it is a super hot pink. So that is Jeffree's Girl. So that is the first item that is going in the giveaway. So definitely a color that I think is really pretty. If I didn't already have it, I'd be happy to receive it. So let's go on. I've got the Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Posh Spice. I definitely do not have this one. Let me take a look. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so this is like one of those like really nudie nudes. So there is the swatch of Posh Spice. We're just gonna put on everything. Ooh, that's pretty. I really like that. This actually reminds me of a color Fresco from Stila that they no longer make, which was like a favorite of mine. I really like that for like a brownie nude for me. So the next thing I have is this shirt. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out. I did get an extra large, which honestly is kind of oversized for me, but that's kind of what I was going for, so I'm fine with that. This one I have on is an extra large. It's pretty big, and this one I actually like. So this one is the Can't Relate shirt, and I think this one's exclusive to this particular box too. I don't think you can get this, but I will list the price of like something that's similar. Okay, we got a couple more things. So it looks like I got a velour lip liner in Posh Spice, so I actually got the same shade. So this will be my first foray into his lip liners as well. So So that's what it looks like. The little top is so intricate. So this is the same shade, but this is a really great like nude lip liner to have, even if I use it with other colors. Because I feel like I can get a pretty defined lip with the just liquid lip, but I will definitely put this to use. So the next one I got is a velour liquid lip in the shade Diamond. So this one's going to be a little different. Cool, honey. So there's Diamond. This is definitely like a very fun color. This would be really pretty as an eyeliner. I'll probably use it for that purpose for sure. So there is Diamond, and that is one of the names of one of his dogs. So I do think that that's really cute, but it's like this periwinkle lavender blue. It's really pretty actually. So I'm kind of excited to get that in a way, even though it's different. I was kind of hoping for the shade Crocodile Tears, which is like a really dark green, because I'm like, ooh, I can get it, but not have to like pay specifically for a green liquid lip, because you know it's different. So the last shade that I got is called Dream House, and this is actually one that I was already kind of excited for before and just hadn't picked up yet. Ooh, so this is a metallic. It's really pretty. So there is Dream House. So overall, for me, this was a really great box. 2 great highlighters. I got multiple liquid lips that I like. I got a shirt. I'm probably most excited for the highlighters though, I have to say. But this is a really good box. I'm really liking this assortment. So I didn't get quite as much to go in the giveaway. So just like yesterday's video, you just like, comment, and then follow the link. It's a Gleam link below, and it will let you enter the giveaway. There's lots of ways you can get extra entries too, but I am going to add a couple little surprises to this, since right now it's just a lip and a pop socket. I've got a few things that I might add, so you'll get these 2 items if you win, but also a few little surprises as well. So definitely follow the link below and make sure to check that out. Also make sure to go check out yesterday's video so that you can be entered for both giveaways. To end today's video, we do have our dad joke of the day. If you don't know, that's what I'm doing. So I've got a dad joke in every one of my videos, so make sure if you're watching to stick through to the end of the video to see the dad joke. So I have one here for you guys. Did you hear about the guy who invented the knock knock joke? He won the Nobel Prize. That's kind of bad. So there is today's dad joke. If you would like to screenshot it, I will put it right there. Thank you guys so much for watching my little unboxing video. Be sure to look down below and enter that giveaway as well, so you can be entered to win some fun things. And don't forget to subscribe below and turn on those notifications so you know of every video and giveaway that I post. And thank you guys so much for watching again. I love you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.